Guys! My fidgets finally came! I've been waiting so long, and I have a guest. Hello. Hello. First we have globbles, and they don't really stick together. And you can tell. They just fall apart. But my dog likes them. The camera's silly. He's pawing at it. No, you can't paw at these. You're gonna break it. And got bike chain, because I took this out already. I like the bike chain! And I love playing with it. And my mom loves playing with it because she likes to do this with her fingers a lot and it annoys me so much. But if she's playing with a bike chain, it's okay. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Okay, I got my rug back because my mom was vacuuming. I said lay down in your bed. And I'm just gonna dump them out because why not? My dog got scared. Okay, so I saw this fly. And it's the metal thing. And if it breaks, then Hunter, move. It has this little thing, and if it breaks, it it was trying to focus. And if it breaks, it stretches out, and it's satisfying. I got gold, silver. I don't know if there's another color. Back away, Hunter. I got some mochis. I got a lot. These. Oh, another. I think this one's silver. No, this one's gold. This one looks like it's about to break. And I got I got marble mesh. Boy, you're gonna ruin my fidget. Stop! You crazy. You won't stop. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to sit this way. Hunter, sit over here. Boy, if you don't. Okay, I got a green one. Oh my gosh. Please move. Please move. Please move. Please move. I got a green one, a red one, a blue one, and a yellow one. Oh. Hunter! These are all the colors. Hunter! Move! Oh my gosh, I swear I'm about to strangle him. I got monkey noodles. Stop, Hunter! I got orange, pink, blue, and purple. And the purple one is hollow. I don't know why. Put all the mochis up here. I got a simple dimple, which I love. I was playing with it in the car. And yes, I do have shorts on. And it is so great. I love it. I love it. I got, what do I call it? Tangles. Well, wacky track, but still, same thing. I'm gonna smack you with these. No bite. He really likes my fidgets. No bite. There's a blue and green and orange and green. There's a lot of fidgets. I got, and the last things I got, oh my gosh, if you won't move. Sit. Lay down. No paw. Lay down. Good boy. Okay. Okay, you want to open this one first? Okay, I guess that's a yes. Let me get this open. Hold on. Which one do you pick? This one. Which one? Alright, we don't have all day. Okay, this one. So they're all rainbow, but this one's a hexagon. Okay. I think we addressed that you want to pick this one first. Can I have it back? Thank you. I will be playing the marble game too. Okay, Hunter, I get you want... Okay, do you want to pop these? Oh my gosh, you're gonna break it. The good side is perfect. And the rest for all these, they feel like powdery. I don't know why. And my dream is a square poppet, especially rainbow. So, my dream come true. But that was all my fidgets. Let me get all of them. Please do not break those. And if y'all want me to do like a haul, if I like take any to school, and if I do the marble game, please let me know what number for the marble game and what poppet. Because I also have a yellow circle one, but it's in like my book bag, I think. So I don't have it. But that was my fidgets. And I'm gonna go let my mom rate my fidgets. So, and I gotta see if she'll want to be on YouTube. Okay, I think you like this angle. Let me have it back now. But, I'm gonna go see if my mom wants me to like, or wants to be on YouTube because she hates it. I'm not gonna say hate because I'm a Christian, but, she just doesn't like it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ask and see if she wants to. But that will probably be the next clip if she does say yes. No, no bite! But if she doesn't, bye. Hi guys, today we're gonna be trading fidgets. I'm gonna start off with this one, and I just made it, but it has a tiny bit of air. But it's foam beads. Trading homemade foam bead stress ball made out of balloon and foam beads, obviously. Going once. Me. I want that. Okay, what's your offer? You're kind of under. Can you add? Find a marble mesh, and it's red. Will you accept? Okay. Thank you. I love this. And it's my favorite color. Let's try this marble mesh. Wow. I don't really like the color, so I'm gonna try to trade it. Maybe see if I can find anybody who's trading a fidget. I see somebody over there that's trading a rainbow square poppet. That's my dream. I could probably trade them both of these and something else out of my fidget. Trading rainbow square poppet. That's the other person though. Any offers? Going once? Going twice? Me. That's my dream. Me, of course. Right, what's your offer? This red marble mesh, this weird paperclip thingy, this multi-fidget bottle thing. It has foam beads which you can shake. You can like push down when you take off the slinky, and it's a regular slinky, and it's like a hairband. So you can go like this, and it's a twist, and you can snap it. You accept? I don't know. I'll think about it. Maybe if you add one more thing, I might accept. It'd be good though. Monkey noodles, and one has air in it, so I like squeezing it. Will you accept now? Fine. You seem like a beginner, so I will. Goodbye, Rainbow Poppet. Wait. Alright. Here you go. Thank you. Gosh. I love this, but they seemed kind of mean. They acted like they were a pro. but it's totally worth it. I'm gonna trade this next. It's kind of old and it's a boring color. It's a solid color. Trading Poppet, going once, going twice. Me. I never had a Poppet. I really want one. What's your offer? All my marble meshes and my Tangled. Or, not Tangled, Wacky Track. Sorry. So, will you accept? Okay. Thanks. I love these marble meshes. And this is like the red one I had. Maybe they traded for it. Ooh, I love this blue one. My favorites are the blue and the green. And this Wacky Track, I love. It's so fun. Put them up in my fidget pile. And I'll see what I can trade next. Somebody's trading a Simple Dimple. I really want one. I'm gonna trade it. See if I can. The other person. Trading Simple Dimple. Going once. Going twice. Me. I really want it. What's your offer? My 2 ring thingies. My strawberry Nido. And my pink Nido. Will you accept? I guess so. Here you go. Thanks. Oh my gosh, that was so worth the trade. I love this. And it sounds so good. Add it to my pile of poppets and stuff. I think I'm gonna trade my mochis. I have a bunch. And I love them, but not the pink one, and not really the yellow one. But I have a penguin, a cat, gray cat, a yellow cat, a pink cat thing, I think that's a cat, and this cat thing. I don't know what they are, but I'm going to try trading them and see what I can get. I have to put them like this because if they get on the rug, they get all messy. So I'm going to put them like right here on my leg. It's hard to like situate them. 5 mochis. Going once. Going twice. Me. I really want a mochi. What's your offer? A DNA stress ball, a blue and green tank, Wacky Track, and a bike chain. Will you accept? Of course. Here you go. Thank you. I love this Tangled. It's so fun to play with. And I can add it to my other Tangle. Wow, this is a cool DNA ball. I'll put it with all my other stress balls. And this bike chain. Ooh, I really love it. It's so fun to play with. Put it right there. Hi guys. If you enjoyed this fidget trading video, even though I didn't trade every single one of these fidgets, it's just getting really long video. But I have these Orbeez in a Ziploc. This is not sponsored. I have these Globbles, these other Nidos, and yeah. So, and this Floam. And this is not sponsored. Bye.